Hello everyone, welcome back to another session of Verilog coding with me. So today we will see vector part select. So here is the description. A 32-bit vector can be viewed containing 4 bytes. Build a circuit that reverses the bit ordering of the 4-byte world. We have to reverse this order. So let's perform. So here they have given the example. We can remove the comment. So we have to reverse the bits for 4 bits. 4 bytes, sorry, not bits. So let's in off 0. Similarly, assign 23 16 equal to in off 23 16 15 is to 8 equal to in off 23 is to 16. Assign out was 7 is to 0. Equal to in of 31 is to 24. So this is the code we have to submit. So we can see compilation. Here we can see there is the status is success, and here is the input, output, and output reference. So that's all for today. In next Sunday we will see vector gates and more.